Hey traders, happy Sunday to you. Sunday evening, or maybe Monday morning, whatever. Hope you're having a good one. Welcome to episode 380 of the show. Just kicking it off with Ravencoin. Oh my god, Mooncoin. Be danged, okay? And really, you know, the falling wedge that Jeremy S. was looking at, man, it came to fruition. We broke out and we didn't stall out at all. And really what we had to do, we really had to go from the major high point back from October 23rd, 2018, all the way down to the low point, February 22nd, to get our fibs from high to low, to see that we've made a major retrace of 62%. And we were getting off stream, the day stream, as we just touched it, and you can see how far we pulled back before closing this most previous 4-hour candle just 9 minutes ago, and we're still continuing to move up a little bit, but hey, good luck. Gonna be real tough breaking above that 618, 745 sats. I mean, that's the golden retrace, man. They have a name for it, the 618. And we know major retraces always inherently want to go between the 382 and the 618 before reversing their price action to the downside, because the impulse overall was bearish, right? The impulse or the selling happened, and then we broke this trend, but we still kept making lower lows. But you can clearly see the angle of descent was not near as bad, which just means psychologically there's just not as many people selling as before. And so eventually you start showing bullish divergence, you start showing a bullish reversal pattern, variables coincide, and then we break out, and sometimes the windfall happens. Sometimes, a lot of times it doesn't. Most of the time it does not, but sometimes it does, and this is why we're looking at Ravencoin right now, because this was the windfall, man. Crazy run straight up, man. Okay, let's think about it. The 26th of February, we were sitting at 271 sats. As of now, 710 sats. Crazy world. Hold on, this thing, oh, I gotta adjust this. Hold on. Okay, we're looking good. All right. So that's it, man. Just wanted to start the show with Ravencoin just to give a brief update to those who are wondering what's going on, what happened. Completely overbought, sitting at 87. Good year on the RSI. Bullish convergence on the RSI and bullish convergence on the MACD. To come on. If you go straight up, you don't sell off and pivot and run again, you're not going to get divergence, okay? But just remember where we are. Breaking above 745, wow, I'll be completely surprised if we break above 745, all right? But hey, maybe we'll set up an alert so we can get the reaction if it happens, right? Done. Very cool, all right? Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, man. Too bad Bitcoin's not doing this, right? Well, and the thing is, we were expecting some sort of move up for Bitcoin to make its own retrace, but we just have not done that yet. Okay. All right, man. Still just choppy, kind of falling out, right? I mean, you just continue to try to make adjustments here. It just not looking good for you, man. Not looking good for you at all. I mean, really, if we went to redo it on the bottom, anchor points, just like 1 and 2 and 3 right there, and just 1 on the top or right here. There you go. Okay, including all the chop except this one crazy wick that, weird enough, from the low to high, we wicked off the golden retrace, 62% retrace, 36.65. Right back up, wicked up, hit the 50 moving average, and the 38% retrace from the high to low before selling off, and it really just doesn't look promising, does it? Looks bad, looks bearish. I mean, impulse down, upsloping consolidation, and just waiting for a move, man, waiting for the big dump to happen if it's going to, but we always, I mean, in our analysis, our previous analysis of Bitcoin, it's not changed. I stream twice a day, man, so we are still outside the downsloping structure that we broke out of. Still out, man. Still holding. You know, Litecoin did something very similar when it broke out. The same freaking thing. And it pivoted and then ran again, and it kept going. All right, so maybe hoping for some Litecoin play that it did. All right, so what I was talking about, wish Bitcoin would do what Ravencoin did. All right. So, you know, Ravencoin had that huge dump, that huge sell-off, and then it had downsloping consolidation, right? It had that falling wedge pattern. It had lower lows, man, until it finally kind of double bottomed and then ran. But we actually had higher lows here, and that's a little bit stronger. That's forms of accumulation. And right at our 786, we popped the upside, broke out of the downsloping structure, and we're just bouncing along it. So it looks so wonderful, so well established as a bear pole bear flag. You just think certainly we'd have to break down. But dude, this is exactly how it started for Litecoin before we ran to the upside, and why there's just that small chance that we could stay out of this and run to the upside. High to low, we have not made a common retrace yet. Common retrace between 44.22 and 52.31. Now, it's not like an exact thing where you have to ever get it, but it just would make more sense because, like, at those areas, people are going to be taking great short opportunities. Great areas to short. But we just haven't gotten to the low risk, high reward short opportunities yet. So that's why you would just think that we would run up again to get to at least the 382 before selling off. 50%, 618, maybe even the 786 if we're freaking lucky, right? So for now, it's just some contradicting variables, not the coinciding variables that we always covet and look for on these markets, or any market for that matter. Okay, that's swing trading. Remember, it's all about the mixing bowl, man, right? You're trying to make a cake. All right, well, let's get our ingredients. Let's get our, hey, we're at critical areas of support. We're at a critical fib node too. Dang, dude, daily bullish divergence, 4-hour bullish divergence. Dang, dude, bullish reversal pattern. The 5 volumes receding on lower prices. Throw it all in your mixing bowl, man. You're gonna have a dank, epic cake. We don't really have that right now. Now, we did have it. We had it exceptionally well right here. This was our fantastic, like, this is a Trace Le Chase cake right here we made. But currently, I just don't think there's enough data to give you clarity of the situation with Bitcoin. So you just got to say, hey, man, bear pole, bear flag for now. Okay. That's it, man. Let's look at some chat. Thanks to the 133 people here. Really appreciate it. Could be doing anything, right? Anything. So, Sid Tentacle, Miss Kanatomo, Wab Jello, Reggie, Ramy Man, 1G Project, hello, man. Have you fought the Night King yet? Let me know. What's up, JD? Toshi Blue. Yep, Raven took off. Elko Alex, hello. Coffee for Crypto. Erwin, coffee for crypto, man. Ethiopia, man. Hey, Anthony, Alex. There's Jeremy S., the Ravencoin Jesus man himself. What's up, Drawn K? Yeah, Raven Moonboy did. We're going to have to get a bird hat or something, right, for the stream. And it can be one of the variations. Wizard hat, that Moonboy or Viking, right? And now Raven Moonboy. Okay. What's up, Jack Black, man? Francisco. Hey, Bradford, dude. Brian Griffin. Crypto Tiger, man. What's up, Don Snow? You related to Jon Snow? Because 1G Project, he's fighting the good fight up there in the north, man. You need to talk to him. You need XRP to Moon? Well, probably not going to happen the way you want it to, man. Hey, P. Miller, man. How you doing, dude? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hey, Billy, man. And there's Kang freaking Logan himself. What's up, dude? ETFC, okay. On the list, man. Zipper says, just don't get caught back holding. Not even a good coin, but enjoy the profits. Yeah, it's true, man. You're able to get in before it was cool. The divergence and the falling wedge, coinciding variables, fine. But to be taking positions in Ravencoin now is that's just saying, hey man, I don't care about my money. I might as well just give it away, right? So Myron Gaines. Am I wearing a Steve Jobs right now? What? Is this Steve Jobs, man? Is this me, man? Wearing a t-shirt, dude? Is that what the Steve Jobs, man? I don't know, it's Ralph Lauren, dude. Super classy. Just Sunday. Sunday attire. Sexual Sunday or something. What's up, Robert A? You don't like XRP, but the hate is unnecessary, dudes. Welcome to crypto, man. There is tribalism afoot. We try to, you know, weed it out, filter it here, but dude, we can't get rid of it, man. We can only delete a comment. Sorry, people hate XRP, but also love it too, right? So polarized. It's like politics, man. What's up, Prestigious TV? Oh god, never mind. Prestigious, come on, dude. Really? That's not cool, man. I don't come to your channel and do the same thing. Do you? Do you? Or do I? What's up, Francisco D, man? Probably not even here anymore, dude. It's the thing. They'll spam a channel, they'll leave. They don't even care about the content I produce. Or you, or in the community. They just want you to be advertised to for their channel. And they're gone. Clinking beer mugs and wine mugs. A wine mug? Those aren't very mainstream, dude. Wine mug. I'm sure they exist, right? Because it's the internet, but a wine mug. Is that some sort of Australian thing? What's up, William Battles, dude? Yeah, I'm sure when the rug gets pulled on Ravencoin, it's not going to be pretty. It's going to be ugly. Okay. It's not like Ravencoin has just magically, you know, discovered something that's going to make them money now. Sorry, dude. It's just a simple move up, a pump, hitting golden retrace. So far, that's it. I mean, birds do fly, so whatever. But what about Pigeon Coin, man? Dude, I'm all in on Pigeon Coin. Don't screw Ravencoin, man. Where y'all at, dude? We need to be going in on Pigeon Coin. What are the other birds, man? Come on, give me some more bird coins. Crypto Crow coin. There you go, dude. Come
How
on,
do you
dude.
block the fib channel? I know you taught this before, but I forgot.
How do you plot it? What do you mean, how do you plot it? Do you mean, how do you set it up? See, that question leaves me not knowing what you mean. Like, how do you plot it? You got to have 2 anchor points on one side, 1 on the bottom, right? But I'm hoping you mean what are the variants within the settings of the tool itself, right? Is that what you mean? And if that's true, easy, man. Just, right? 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1. That's it, man. Do your thing after that. Do your thing. All right. Very simple. But yeah, Larley was the one that you know, we always wanted it, but we were not able for a while to really figure out how to make it happen. We were always using those parallel channels, but he found a way, man. Freaking freeze warning. They were like tornadoes. Yeah, like tornado warnings and stuff. And now it's going to freeze. Very cool. Love. Early March. I remember last March, March 1st. No, not last March. 2 Marches ago. March 1st. Big tornado warning. Had to go in my basement. And it's like, welcome to March. Alabama weather. It was scary, man. It was a lot of helicity going on in the air. Helicity. Word of the day. What's up, Joe Ray, man? Nixus of Hate coming in on Twitch, dude. Thanks for being a Twitch supporter, dude. All right. What's up, Prosperity Plus? candle we say should be handle on who or where is Bitcoin being manipulated. What does that mean? Prosperity. I don't know. Maybe rephrase your wordage, your verbiage, or both. Whew. Sorry, just getting through chat, and then we're gonna move on. We can move on right now, I guess. Right? Just want to show you the daily on Bitcoin. Look at the 4-hour and the daily. Let's look at bear pull bear flag. If that's the case, we're gonna dump down to like 3,400 again, something like that. If we have the measure move, but you're hoping to God that maybe we sell off here. We can keep on staying outside of this channel. The longer we stay outside of this channel, the greater the chance is that we will get a break to the upside, because the more you use this as support, the more it is interpreting to the market that this trend that we were in is over and it's time to move up, time to make higher prices to at least hit good areas of value for a great short opportunity. Because the market, or because the trend is bearish. Okay. And I know there is a downsloping resistance right here. Good luck, man. Good luck breaking it. It's true, I can't turn it into barbecue sauce. You know, I can lead a horse to water, can teach it everything, give it everything it would ever want, and yeah. Set it up, dude. You can't make the horse drink water. It's terrible. I blame the upbringing of the horse for that, but what are you gonna do, man, right? So about James Richards Jones. There's a lot of Hey, Speedy man. You found epic poutine loot, Lungy Project man. I hear that's that gives resistance to cold weather. Good. All right, man. When is hot going to the moon, dude? Didn't it go to the moon already or something? I can't remember. I don't know, man. There you go, dude. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on down. Hey, we did an Ethereum price prediction video today, man. Yeah. #1 SEO, baby. Right now. Oh, yeah. And we talked about, and we weren't clickbaiting, were we? We talked about predictions of possible outcomes of where we could go. Look, man, from a low point to high point, we've already gotten close to that 618. We're on the way down right now. 200 moving average is now confluent with that 618. It'll be interesting to see how we respond to that moving average, simple moving average, the 200 simple moving average. Can't hold that. Well, man, you can buckle on up and keep on rolling. And probably best bet area is right around 116 to 118. Okay, that's the bottom trend line of the potential ascending triangle that we've started to develop here. And then from there, maybe we could bounce. Big sell walls up here. Orders getting filled. Okay. But really, man, you know how it is, man. If Bitcoin dumps that bear pull bear flag, there you go. That's the way we're gonna get down to that area.
Here's my NATO contribution. Cheers, man.
NATO contribution? North Atlantic Treaty Association? Not association, organization, sorry. I think that's what it stands for. Thanks, dude. We'll make sure to, you know, we'll make sure to keep the peace, dude. Thank John, man. Thank John K for the 556, man. Can't it? Sometimes y'all with the TTS, it leaves me very confused. All right, man. But maybe that's the point. Holy crap, man. So yeah, dude, that was the potential price prediction, 116 to 118 before we bounce. If we do, we always could bounce before then. But hey, even down there is that 786. But again, the bear pull bear flag for Bitcoin. That would be the way we could, the means to which Ethereum could make it down there, because you might need some help from Bitcoin to sell off to get there. Okay, and then we also talked about, we have the daily time scale, which, you know, we don't know, man. we've met all the criteria except for D, and D is a 78% retrace, which puts us at 192, which, good luck in there, man. How you gonna get there without Bitcoin? That's what I'm saying, man. It's like contradicting variables, dude. Gonna be real tough, man, because like, how do you even break above the 200-day moving average on Ethereum, which is currently sitting at 170 right now? Gonna be very tough. And we're selling off though. All right, ascending broadening wedge, not so strong of a pattern here, but on the 4 hour look really good. All right, so yeah, man, 50-day moving average is 125. That's pretty that's getting pretty freaking close to that bottom trend line. I mean, it's like $7-8 off the ascending triangle, right? The anchor point, right? You can just plot it like this, man, right? That's what I'm talking about. That support. So respond there. Lower risk areas down there. Lowest risk areas for one's trying to trade a triangle. And you got a high enough margin where you could run up and hit the top. Take some profit, move a stop up, whatever. And if it fails, you want to trade. But the windfall is breaking out of the ascending triangle and making the measure move. And it's an extremely large triangle too. Really been developing. It started December 10th, 2018, man. So, dude, it's the 3rd of March, man. Can y'all even believe it's March? I can't believe it, man. It just feels like, you know, people are like, it feels like yesterday. It feels like a decade ago that I was doing even the St. Patrick's Day stream. Green beer, Bitcoin getting destroyed, us getting drunk with it, the bearish hurricane party. Chat, do y'all remember that? Who was here when that was going on, man? 1 year ago, man. How things have changed. Man. Okay. What's up, Zero, dude? What is it? SXSW? Toshi Blue Man, want to elaborate more on what that is, dude? Okay. Star Wars World's coin, city discounts, Minnesota. If you want the best city discounts in Minnesota, go to City Discounts Minnesota, man. Do this in WRAY King Logan. What's up, Edward Park, dude? Hey, thanks for the kind words on that static video I posted. It's best kept secret. I don't think there was a notification for it when it went out, just because we had just gotten done with today's stream. So I did there was a little 1 minute 30-second clip video I posted on the channel. So check it out if you want, whenever, man. All right. Especially if you're not feeling so good. If you're feeling tired, exhausted from life. Okay. Eagle coin, Dove coin. There you go. Thanks, William Battle, man. Big and love you, man. 0888, man. Yep. Hot coin. There we go. Mullet Eagle coin. Hummingbird coin. So many coins, dude. Sid Barrett coin, dude. Dodo coin. Yeah, that's like what all these bird coins will be, man. All right, getting carried away, dude. Let's go to not leave the XRP people waiting. Don't get impatient with me, man. Uh-oh. That's not good, man. That's not good. Uh-oh, indeed, right? Yeah, I don't know, man. You had this upsloping support. So, like, we wicked a couple times. Here we are, man. I mean, look, just 1 and 2, 1 and 2, converging trend lines, and you're out of it. What do you want, man? Currently sitting 31.1 cents. You better pray for Bitcoin, XRP. Sorry. Seriously, man. Like a US dollar pair, Bitcoin owns you. Okay. It dictates your price action 95+% of the time. Okay. Because I don't want to hear people saying, but dude, what about that one time? What about that one time like 3 months ago? Well, hey, man, that was a trade setup we did. We had 27 cent entry. And by the end of it, we had hit 79 cents before wicking back. So, well, don't talk to me about that, man. All right? I'm just saying, man. Don't get married to a coin. I know a lot of people are married to XRP. It's just not the way to do it, man. I know you can believe in the tech all you want and like it, but don't marry it. Yeah, Chris, man. Frost tornadoes, Joe? Yeah, dude. That's what we got to deal with, dude. Frost tornadoes. So Rachel Rhodes. Die twitching. Nexus, I think that's what people do, man. Central nervous system or something, right? Really seems like there's some manipulation going on. Prosperity Plus, man. Sure, dude. Sure. You can call it, you want to call it? I mean, Bitcoin, y'all know, has just moved down. It just sold off. Some more. Bitcoin had just hit 37.27, right? I mean, as soon as we like changed to Ethereum, we started selling off. So there you go, man. As far as Bitcoin wants to go, and Bitcoin's bouncing right off that trend line. Okay, remember that trend line we were talking about? There was a resistance 3 times, became support. Well, we would think, we would hope. So let's see if we can hold this. And you do not want to go really below 3710, 3700, man. That's, you know, definitely close below it. You don't want to close below that. What's up, Flip Vids? Look at it. Okay, Logan, I don't know if I can repeat that. I don't even know what any of those things even mean, dude. I see Hufflepuff coin or something. Okay, man. The dump is coming. Flip Vids is coming, dude. Yes. Guessing the horse owner doesn't like water. I think it'd be the horse itself didn't like water, right? What's up, Benjamin, man? Thanks, dude. Appreciate it, dude. You're like, is it my nephew? I don't know, man. I'm starting to like this look better. I really am. Like every day I look at it, if I just get a little scruff, I don't look like I'm 12. Okay. Dump coming, guys. Lit vids again, man. No real significant volume is coming into play right now, but it is daytime in Asia, right? Other side of the world. Yeah, the measure move was the measure move of Bitcoin's little bear pole bear flag was like $380. Okay, so which puts you right back where we were with a Gartley. Okay. Hey, what's up, Julia? Good to see you. Two, two, 3, 5, 5, 6. Yeah, the same things. Oh, what the? I don't know. Lost y'all. Just got throttled. Like my internet went down or something. Not my internet. It just really OBS or something. Restream and OBS just went down for me. We're back now, I guess. Hello. At least my PC didn't freeze, man. Star Wars Worlds.
Hello, Mitch.
Hello, Star Wars Worlds.
Dynamite!
That boy is good.
I like turtles.
Dude, thanks for the 20, man. Star Wars Worlds, you were the session top, man. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate that. Yeah, it's wonderful, man. It's good to see you again, brother, man. And thank you, dude, for the ongoing support, because I can't do it without you, dude. All right, man. Sunday evening stream. Hope everyone's getting ready to get better this week, okay? If you're not living life right, man. If you're going into tomorrow with the mentality of, God, I hate this, man. I don't want to get up and go to work and do this, man. Like, if you have the mentality, man, you're destined to fail, because you're just like out the gate already asking to lose, man. All right, if you don't have any ambition or goals with the career you have now, man, you got to find a way to get out. Find a parachute if it's not working for you. But, you know, if it's tolerable, manipulate your mind to manipulate your passion. I know I did that in sales forever, selling someone else's product. I found a way to manipulate myself to bring out my passion, my inner passion, to make it work. So do that, man. Okay. Man and woman, whatever. ONT Rick, yeah, dude. Alright, it's on the list. But just always think about, like, Monday's coming, it looms, Sunday evenings, ugh, Sunday evenings. Man, think about, there are people out there that are competing against you in life. And you gotta beat them, man. You gotta win. Don't lose to the other person. And it's only gonna be because of your attitude. It's not because they're better than you. Someone could be much worse than you at what you do for your job, and you could lose to them because they have more passion and devotion and ambition. So you gotta dig deep, man. The stripper pattern, yep, that's it, dude, the stripper pattern. So breaking out that symmetrical triangle on XRP right now. Big one sitting at 37.48. What's up, Carl? Elliott Wave guy, hello, man. Hey, Aramis, dude. Things have changed drastically. What you talking about, homie, man? Sorry, this is a CX joke. Oh, okay, it's an event hosted in Austin, Texas every year. Art, tech, music. Sweet, dude. So I guess crypto is going to be there, you say? Awesome, man. Yeah, I got it, Alan, man. I got it, dude. Thanks, Prosperity Plus. Appreciate it. Hey, Alessandro De La Grave, man. Welcome, dude. Billy, man. I'm not doing BCN coin, dude. All right. Dude, chat's lit, man. Okay, wow. Holy crap. Interesting. All right. Give me a second here. Wow. I'm digging it, man. Okay. We're gonna go to what I think P. Miller asked for it. So it was like we had this like velocity trend. It all started back, February 2016, man, inauguration, catalyst, and we broke out bearishly. Definitely broke out bearishly. There you go. It's that descending, broadening wedge stuff, and maybe we broke it already, right? Yeah, there you go. You broke out. Nice, man. You have a little like partial decline right there. Yeah, positive momentum's building, but it's clearly gonna be a lower level of positive momentum. Look where we are, dude. Okay, very, very interesting. Where will we go? Like, I mean, you can see some sort of miniature little double bottom here with a neckline that you broke, and I think you've already made the measure move of that pattern. But here we are, big resistance, multiple ways to fib this. You could have just gone from the high point to low point here. High to low, 100% retrace, right? But I want to see where we would be. Let's probably go back further, man. Jeez. Look at that. Beautiful looking little pattern. The megaphone, dude. Descending, broadening wedge. High to low there. Where are we? We're just now right at that 382. The 382 lines up perfectly with that January 22nd high. So not going to be easy, man. Especially with such low levels of positive momentum. And you actually right now, and of course this could change, right? This could change where tomorrow at open, we keep on moving to the upside, and then we we run up to 69.98, 70, and we double top on the RSI, making higher highs or the same highs, and that's That Class C bearish divergence, not the strongest, but this is Class A. As soon as you start stalling here, man, not good, man. That's Class A. Well, this would be Class B. Okay, say you stalled tomorrow and couldn't break above $50.75. All right, you started showing weakness, rejecting it. And you started clearly showing that we might be forming a swing high here, double top. Very clear Class B bearish divergence. Okay, where you make a double top, and that's on that second top, we have much lower levels of positive momentum or relative strength, Class B. So the golden zone, man, we've just now hit it. Taking your sweet time, E-Trade, man. The rest of the market's way up there, dude. So many other singular assets that have hit the 786, 886s. Some are making all-time highs now, but E-Trade just now finally hitting the 382 for the second time, maybe double topping. Be careful, man. Be careful. Look, dude, we broke this velocity trend. It's a wonderful trend. But, man, the selling has been going on forever, so... I mean, you know the measure move of these patterns, dude. Measure move of this pattern. That's like all the way to the beginning of where the pattern formed. It's all-time highs, man. June 6th, 66.77. So I just don't know, man, if the... How are you going to do that when the market is doing what it's done? It's already up near the... We're on the way to the 78% retrace in the stock market, the S&P 500. So once we hit that 786, man, what do we start selling off to? Do you think E-Trade's going to just... do well? It's probably going to suffer too with the macro. So just look between $50 and $56 for some sort of large reversal. Look on the daily, we've got that 200 moving average at 54.40. So the 50% retrace might be a good area where one could think that we would sell off, because by the time we get to the 50% retrace, that 200-day moving average is probably going to come down a little bit more, moving average, right? And we hit that as resistance and maybe sell off with Class A bearish divergence at that point, right? Yeah. Okay. That's it, dude. There's your ETF. C, man. Anyway. Oh, dude, I don't know, Alessandra, man. I get a lot of requests. BTT is just one of the random ones, dude. Billy, man, made money on that trade, dude. Excellent, dude. Gangs. Things against Star Wars World, man. So Justin Birkin, dude. Excuse me. Doing things. All right. Doing things. Uh-oh. 88, man, huh? Now, I'm gonna look at it like this. I dig it, man. I dig it. All right. Okay, dude. 88, dumpster fire. Oh, yeah, it's a bearish trend. But hey, man, something happened. We started making higher lows. But now we're making lower highs than our previous highs. Give me a break in the structure. Scrubby. And where are we, dude? Critical freaking areas. Dude, JR, man. Thanks so much for the Patreon pledge, dude. Welcome back, right? Love you, man. Thank you, dude. That boy is good. Gangs. Really appreciate it, man, because the support that you give, I'm able to do this every day, man, multiple times a day. No breaks, can't stop, won't stop, error. Whatever Dave Chappelle says, man. Okay. Thank you, dude. It means a lot. Okay. So you go, man. Where do we go? Where do we retrace? It looks like a 38% retrace, right? High to low, maybe 50%. From your high to low, it was a 50% retrace, right? So we hit that. We sold off, made a higher low, now the lower high, right? So I really just don't know, man. Like, if you're like, it's in a triangle, dude, that's so much white space, man. Like, look, if we hold here somehow and Bitcoin doesn't dump, if we pivot here at 3.9 cents, that's great, dude. Yeah, I do think that you will probably find some sort of downsloping resistance right here. Yeah. But that's a big if, man. I don't know. Will we hold? If we don't, man, if we do not hold this area, we will expect prices 3.6934 cents. Okay. And then after that, 3.3, and then way down here at 2.7. All right. So you got your supports, but you don't want to break this upsloping support on ADA to USD. Tried to make it hey, nice bullish divergence, man. What? Education low, slightly lower low, higher levels real shrink. Bam. Okay.
Live ATA with Mithray, the sensei of the crypto Kaido and the mayor of Greenbow, Alabama. I want to be anarchy. Please look at BNB. Mitchell Ray, the man that dogs like. Do you believe in 589?
Do I believe? If you don't believe, it doesn't happen, man. So yeah, I gotta believe, man. But I just don't know, because in the dream, when I was told about 589, man, I didn't know if it was 5.89 cents or $5.89, but I surely know, I was told in the dream, $589 never happening. Sorry, dude. It's confirmed now, okay? It's confirmed. No kappa. I'll shave my head if it ever does, but it's never happening. See, I'm not even going to give a time limit on it, okay? So maybe 5 years from now, if Ripple ever hits $589, I'll shave my head, dude. Dude, I'm telling you, man, that's just crazy, dude. Whatever, man. Please be in disbelief. He can't believe he said that, man. Man. You already got targets on your back, XRP, man. Okay, so Billy, man, thanks, dude. And BNB, yeah, dude, look at BNB, man. It's so nice, man. It's so nice. BNB, beautiful. Look, man, look, we just had the descending broadening wedge, now we got the ascending broadening wedge, man, alright? What did we do, dude? Alright, what did we do? You know, someone could have a channel too, and I bet we probably hit some sort of top trend line of it, probably perfectly. But we're just, you know, literally from the impulse, beginning of the volatility and on, we just used those trend lines. And really look what happened, man. Thank God we used our fibs, right? This was what's crazy, man, about fibs, dude. Look, we went look left, man. All-time highs. The high point, the previous all-time high, June 2018, to the low point. We fibbed it. The 1272 was our target. If we could confirmably break above that resistance, that's where we would run to. And we did, man. We did. And we also, from the minor swing high to swing low, it's off, man. Really? Wow, dude. Okay, making the adjustment on our fib, I guess we didn't. Making the adjustment, we only hit the 1414. We did not hit the 1618 yet. That's interesting. So, but look how confluent. Dude, I love it. The confluence, man. From that, this fib, these fib anchor points, high to low, and These fib anchor points, high to low. The 1414 and 1272, you can't even tell. They're literally the same here, lined up perfectly. So you got the confluence there, and high, higher high, lower levels of relative strength, lower levels of positive momentum, selling off. So you fall below this 20 moving average, good chance you're running down the 50 moving average, 27,283 sats. Okay, man. So that's it. That's literally freaking it, dude. Whew. I'm keep getting through chat, man. I'm keeping up. I'm trying to, man. This little false breakout. It was the false breakout of the ascending Brownie wedge, right? And the wedge. Down sloping price contraction pop. What's up, Motech, man? Ravenclaw, isn't that Harry Potter world, man? Whew. Holy crap, dude. Stay positive is the key, Elko Alex. Exactly, you gotta be positive, man. Parachute don't work if you don't jump, yeah, but you better make sure you're prepared. You better make sure you got a safety net. You got backup. Okay, 5.8. 5.89 cents, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Dreamman.
We apologize for confusion in your dream. It was $.0589. Namaste.
Did you say namaste? Not namaste? Hold on. Hold on, let me turn to Casper real quick. Okay, we're good. I have to refresh. Thanks, Mitch's Dream. Namaste, yeah, you said namaste. Is that even a word, dude? Namaste, anyone? Namaste? Help me out. Thanks, dude. Love you, man. Holy crap. XRP Mafia lives 30 minutes from Austin. Hey, XRP Mafia, someone posted about you in our Discord, and we're gonna show you, dude, okay? Dude, Marklar has entered the Discord, dude. Thanks, Marklar, man. Or Marklar, man. I'm gonna find it for you, dude. Alright. Okay, XRP Mafia, since you're here, dude, someone posted this about you, alright? Freaking love it, man.
That boy is good.
I like turtles.
Good and terrible.
Bueller?
I don't know, sir.
Sorry, man. You're doing me okay, man. Alright. How long is the stream delay, man? Like 20 seconds or something stupid. 10 seconds, whatever. Yeah, I'm just going through comments, dude. We analyze, engage, analyze, engage. Analyze, engage, engage. You know, you get it, man. All right. Sorry, dude. Just leaving that up, man. 100. Zamps Windbeard. Long time. It's gonna be a while, man. All right. If we, I don't know, dude. I'll think about it like this, man. It's gonna be like Angels in the outfield, dude. It's like, you know, I'll adopt you when the Angels win the pennant. I'll grow a beard again when Bitcoin wins the pennant, dude, okay? When Bitcoin literally really reverses its trend, I'll start growing my beard again. How about that, dude? Okay? And maybe I might just not trim it at all and just let it grow like Duck Dynasty, man. Alright, I've never had a Duck Dynasty beard before in my life. So why not do something you've never done? Dude, come on, man. The beard was good, but... Dude, a little stubble, man. I'm not that ugly, dude. I know I'm ugly, but not that ugly, right? CWG, man, you're in Bama tonight, man? Alright, well, be careful. There's freeze warning in effect. Don't get wrecked. Hey, there you go, man. Really getting below that 20 moving average, and that target's gonna put you at the 27,304 point. And you know, you could fib too. I think it's probably it's probably acceptable and appropriate at this point to fib low to high. We have just also surpassed the 236, so at minimum 28,534, 382. Here's your golden zone. Gonna move this, whatever. Golden zone. So look for some sort of retrace to the upside anywhere in between here. Don't know, man, but we did hit a 1-2-7-2 from a major high to low, from old all-time highs to those 52-week lows. All right, so holy crap, man. Litecoin, I don't know, man. Put it on the list, I guess, right? EW. So about Dallas Callison, man, welcome, dude. Oh no, what, dude? Dude, I'm so freaking behind. Oh, chat, dude. Jeez. I'm so behind on chat. I probably think I'm looking at yesterday's stream or today's stream. Good evening, True Stoner, man. Welcome, dude. Okay, Nathaniel Short says, and he's new, it seems. He says if you buy XRP, you give more power to the banks. Crypto was created only for one reason, give power to the people. So buying XRP, you take this dream from us, period. All right. Chad, do you have any combatants to Nathaniel's rhetoric? Huh? What say you, Chad? XRP peoples, I know you're out there. What's up, Brian Kelly, man? Don't forget about USD pairs. Who's forgetting about it, man? We need to bring back Kangs. Taylor Spinner, I'm sorry, man. We were Kangs. We was Kangs, all right? What you want, man? Swing trading's, I mean, you hit targets, man. Things happen. I mean, it's not like we didn't talk about what we were due for a pullback on Bitcoin at that 100% retrace on the tether pair. You remember, it's all evidenced. It was one of the last things I said, that drunk night where we were impulsing up on a Saturday. Like, left you with that. Bearish divergence, receding volume at a critical area of resistance that is not going to end well. Most of the time. High majority of the time. Yeah, namaste, but not namaste, William Battles. Dude. Come on, man. Act like I don't know what that is. Marklar is also a word. Y'all be nice, okay? Y'all be nice. How's WTC going, man? I don't know. I'll ask Arkhead, dude. Give me a sec. So how's it doing, man? Well, we gambled here a little bit, you know, relatively speaking, gamble, you know, you want to call it that. Right. So look, dude, we had like multiple targets. Sorry. So like, look, we were literally not the lowest risk opportunity. Okay. But we knew there was a possibility we may never see those prices again. We might not, right? And this is what we got, dude. All right, that entry right there, like 28.81, whatever. Okay, so we ran up at that 50% retrace, and we're already back down to 29.01 sats, dude. So like a target, and that was it, dude. All right, that's why we draw fibs, man. Because, dude, like from a high to low, you can always just. When in doubt, fib it, dude. When in doubt, fib it. All right. All right, man. I find, like, you know, patterns are great. And it may not even be over for Walton Coin at all. I mean, it still looks like a potential double bottom and all that. But, man, fibbing. Once you get it down, dude, it really helps give you clarity on how everything works, man. On why stuff sells or craps out at areas that it does, man. Oh my god, dude. Y'all are, oh my god. All right, so we already know our winner of the meme of the month last month was Black Plasma. All right, he's already back at it, dude. Y'all got to team up against Black Plasma because this guy's good. All right, this is so far what he's got. All right, and this is brilliant, man. I just saw this, man. It's so cool. Mitch Ray, Master of Harmonics. What it's like, Master of Puppets Metallica, and he's got the freaking crab. What is the bat, the butterfly, and the shark? Oh my god, dude, how are y'all gonna beat him? Is he gonna win the meme war, the meme of the month competition 2 times in a row? It's only the 3rd of March, dude, so y'all got like a whole month to contrive ways to defeat this guy, but he is on a tear right now, dude. Very, very cool. Black Plasma, man. Very cool, dude. That's awesome, man. Fantastic. Dude, I get it. I know what Namaste is, but dude, it was not said or spelled that way. It was spelled as Namaste. But maybe he's staying with Ray in it because of my last name or something, dude. Holy crap. So we're just keeping our eye on BNB to BTC. Well, we should really. At this point, man, it is time for your local on the lates. Yeah, I said it instinctively lates because I late. Screwed, man. Screwed. No bueno, man. No bueno. Interesting what we'll do at 3713, man, right? Little rainbow action. All in on the Viking beard. I don't know. Dang, Joe, man, that's crazy. I didn't even know that. Really, in that storm? Serious, dude? Oh my god, y'all, I know what Namaste is, alright? No one even caught it, dude. No one even caught that it was misspelled, mispronounced, missed everything. I guess this is what happens when you're pedantic, alright? The pedantic problems. So, Kryptonio. Yeah, I guess so. That's what I did, man. Gonna fight a lot more and lost it. Does Nathaniel have a bank account? Judge Allison Nathan? That's the only Nathaniel I know. Alex, I'm doing well, man. How are you? Dude, chat is lit, man. I'm just trying to catch up, alright? Every single business on this planet wants to be a monopoly. XRP is just another piece of the game. If you only think that crypto was created to free the people from the banks, you live in Alice in Wonderland, says Robert A. It's true, man. I think where blockchain will really flourish in the coming years, already established publicly traded companies that turn stupid amounts of profit, make tons of money. You know, they're going to implement it into their own logistics, and they're going to exponentially increase their efficiency using a combination of blockchain and artificial intelligence to actually man that blockchain technology. Yeah, so but the thing is, Bitcoin has its place too. The whole currency thing has its place, you know, like Venezuela and third world countries that have corrupt governments where the people can't trust the government. I think Bitcoin is it's already showing some use case in Venezuela, right? I mean, like, really, of like, hey man, we're actually seeing Bitcoin, and we're seeing like countries like imploding because of governments making stupid decisions, and we're actually seeing people like benefit from crypto or from Bitcoin because their currencies failed, right? We're getting to see that now, which is cool. It's terrible, like obviously what's happening, but dude, if the currency, if it's going to fail anyway, might as well have some nice piece of technology to protect the people. That's what I'm saying is cool, right? Bitcoin's currently sitting at 37.34 right now. You scared yet? Monka S-ing? Yet, man? I think you are. I don't know. We're gonna look at like one. You fib a lot, just gets you yelled at. Thunder blows. Good one, man. When you fib, is it from the body or the top of the candle? Well, there's the rule of thumb, right? The rule where if you're going to anchor on the top end to the bottom, make sure you go wick to wick or candle close to candle close, what you're talking about. The body of the candle to the body of the candle, right? And you can experiment and see which one makes the most sense. You can check your fibs really by seeing if there are places where you can see, like looking left, if there's like where we top out at a 382 or a 618 or 50%, that can help you check your math. Just like we do with equidistant channels, right? With trend lines there, you do the same thing with checking your fibs by seeing if things line up better in other areas, other anchor points, right? Meme tick? Value is meme tick, Taylorman? What? I'm sorry. Can you say it again, dude? What's up, Hector, dude? Cali, man. Dude, I'm trying to, like, get through all this, man. Okay. Yeah, there we go, Dave Jones. Thank you, man. Thank you. You're the only one, dude. Everyone else is calling me crazy. Yeah, dude, my OCD gone nuts on that, dude. Yeah, Namaste. Julia, exactly. Freaking exactly. Okay, we'll move it over so you can see the Monka S. Alright. Or you can see more of the chart. Thanks, William, man. Love you too, man. Okay, I mean, like, I don't know why we would get off this screen, dude, when we're making session lows at the 4-hour candle, 37.30 right now, 37.28 a second ago. Hey, remember, hey, I didn't even do the cadence. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. WRAY 88.8. Repeating, of course. Network. The WRAY network, okay. And there goes Bitcoin. Dumping again, man. Bear pole, bear flag. We are 37.13 right now. Monka S intensifies. Dude, here we go. Monka S. Alright, man. We're going to shrink it a little bit. Keep the Monka S indicator up there. Top left of your screen. Right there, man. We are bouncing off a critical area. Extremely. Jeez, man. The scaling's freaking me out. Look, man. Critical area. There we are, man. It doesn't get more Monka S than this. Okay. In this particular situation, dude. No way to get more Monka S than this. Nuts butter. Hola. Welcome. The Jizz, man. The Siren Labs fund for Kangs. You misspelled Pundicoin, man. Kappa. Pepe leveraged that paycheck. Yeah, he did, man. Dude, the only people going long here are the people that missed out on this insane Gartley. Okay, that's it. I don't know, man. See, I want to keep it zoomed out like this. Maybe I could do it like this, man. See, I don't know how well this is gonna work. Maybe I'd do it like this. I've never done this way, really. Okay, we're gonna be zoomed in on the top. And we're going to be zoomed out on the bottom. So you can see it all, man. We got a nice zoomed in view. With that trend line you can see here, right here, man. Alright, watching this carefully. Looks kind of scary, doesn't it? For the bulls, anyway. Meme takes his fake science. Okay, gotcha, Miss Kanto, man. Excellent. We let the dogs out, man. Think of the people on the Mondays. Mondays do that, okay? They were in the pound all weekend. Excellent wrecked. Dude, it's not like we don't say every time we analyze something, if Bitcoin dumps, you're looking at any other altcoin pair, altcoin to the US dollar pair, probably gonna dump too, man. Whew, what a crap, man. Dude, there's a restaurant, Mexican restaurant where I live, called Zapata, man. Fantastic, man. Alright. You like the view? Well, my little things, man. You know, just a zoomed in, zoomed out view, right? I figured, why not extended coverage, dude? Oh, God.
Nicholas Maduro tipped $23.58. Although I am on my way out as a Venezuelan presidente, it is not for lack of trying. I tried Ripple first to replace a Bolivar, but it was no bueno. Bitcoin and Tittycoin are my country's savior. Namaste.
Namaste.
Price gonna dip.
I like turtles.
Dude. Nicholas Maduro, man. Thanks so much for the 23.58 Kang contribution. Whew. I'm just happy y'all aren't trying to get me to chug, alright? Because it could be brutal, man. Remember, one hit wonder, man. Don't. I know. Can you PNG that? Remember the reaction? Figure out how to PNG that reaction, dude. Oh my God. That probably will never happen again, dude. My name is really XRP is a smiley face. Oh, you're talking about the other guy. Okay, man. So Bitcoin's still slightly holding on by his chinny chin, man. All right. The Monka S. What is it? The Monka S cam. All right. Man, it'd be interesting. I'd like to. See, another other ways to do it. We can actually have it where we have this one bottom, like the whole time, the whole stream, and then we have this in one section on the left, and then we could like chart other things on the right. But I don't know if that's gonna start getting like cluttered and stuff. I don't really know. Dawkins, Richard Dawkins talking about memes, Taylor, man. Do I hold any turtle coin, Zipperman? Yeah, dude, I hold all the turtle coin. Okay, all of it.
I like turtles.
And it's not turtle coin, it's turtles. Turtles coin. Oh, yeah. Hey, at least we're getting some action, man. Dude, I'm telling you, these consolidation days, rough, dude, for Bitcoin, all right? Back from 24th of February to now. Very little volatility. Not much, anyway, right? So maybe we're starting to get our next impulse. Hoping we can hold here, but it's looking like selling pressure's picking up. The volume's picking up a little bit, too. Don't know where we'll go. Man, I cut my freaking finger, man. Dude. What was I doing, man? Yo, what was I doing, man? Holy crap, dude. Sunday night. Fun day night. Fibonacci spiral? I don't know, dude. I'm not versed in the Fibonacci spiral, but I'll tell you all day about fibs. How fibs work. There we go, man. Right near those session lows. 30. There you go. 37.11. Lowest low for our candle. We haven't seen prices like this since the 18th of February, man. Monka S intensifies. Summon Whisper from Motherland. 1G Project. 1G Project, man. Well, we know that the... You know what, let's try this real quick. I don't know how well it's going to work, man. Which one is it? Is it, this one? This one's right? Okay, alright. Yeah, Monka S cam, perfect. Let me wait for the load. I can't move anything till it finishes. Alright. So what I'm going to do, though, just so we can get the entire structure, and get this guy real quick. Oh. Okay, so there's not much obstruction of the chart. Okay, so Monka S on Bitcoin. All right. You can see it pretty clear, right? Not bad. And we're going to do on this screen is we're going to go to Ethereum. On the bottom, we just have that larger zoomed out view of Bitcoin. All right, so you can see that picture of the critical support we're now breaking through. Bearishly, it's not good, man. Not holding support. For now, anyway. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We are approaching the 618. 128.23. The 200 moving average is upon us. 127.91. Not too much further now. Ethereum. Ooh, I like this, man. Bitcoin currently sitting 36.93. We've cracked below 3,700. First time since mid-February. Not good, man. Not good at all. $200 moving average on Bitcoin is right around 36.46. Pretty. And the 618 is 36.65. Remember, we're talking about that area. That's right where that 200 is going to be. So it's coming, dude. Probably coming the next 10 minutes or something, right? But yeah, pull back a little bit. 37.12 right now. Just sitting there, dude. Monka S vision. There you go. Twiddles. Taylorman. Yeah, we broke it, man. It's nice to be watching this together, Parl. Yeah, I guess so. Better than watching it alone. Yeah, that's right. Jeez. It's okay, man. Let's just see what happens. There's plenty of time left. There's 2 hours, 39 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Anything's possible. Yeah, volume's still relatively low compared to what we've seen before. Alright, big dump right here. Alright, big volume. Not so much here, but it's picking up. It could just continue picking up. Alright. Looking at the RSI. RSI, we're now oversold on Bitcoin. Very interesting, right? Oversold. Divergence definitely going to be coming on. And here we are right back near that trend line again. Love the split screen logo, man. Thanks, dude. Are we Raven Moon Boys today? We did it, Eric Jackson, man. We did it. Big pronoun hard. Beginning of the stream, man. Alright. $1 US is like 200,000 Venezuelan dollars. It happens, man. Credit Repair USA is saying blame him because it's his fault because he FOMO'd in or bought in. Okay. Alright. We're going to blame you, Credit Repair, man. Don't be mad. You gave us permission, dude. Need to create an indicator for Credit Repair USA, man. XRP on the third screen, Crypto Fish, man. What? I guess we can just do this, man. Why not? Dude, why don't we just do this? What am I thinking? Just give me it's gonna take a second though, right? Gonna take a sec. Are they hunting some shorts? You mean hunting some stops probably, right? How did I get multiple screen? What? Wizardry, man. Wizardry. That's it. Dude, this thing is struggling like crazy. Bitcoin right here. I'm working on this for y'all, okay? I used to do this all the time back when I had multiple monitors. Now I'm screwed, dude. I mean, I have multiple monitors, but you know, you get it. What was the other one, man? I guess let's do Litecoin, whatever, man. And Litecoin holding up a little pretty well, man. Dang, dude. Okay, here you go, dude. The old school quad screen. Dang it, dude. Just turn off my gas real quick, alright? There you go, dude. Top left of your screen's XRP, the US dollar. Top right of your screen's Bitcoin. Bottom right of your screen's Ethereum. Bottom left is Litecoin. Alright? Got some heavy hitters, some big names, some big kings doing things. But fortunately, the kingdom is to the south side, not to the north side. AKA selling. Pressure has come in a little bit. Okay, so just looking at it, you got XRP over here, the big triangle. Sorry, man, you're out, and it's not looking good for you, man. All right, you're right around an area of maybe potential support. That's where you probably are, but if you can't hold this, man, see you on down at 30 cents. I mean, we're at 30.8 cents, but 30 cents. Okay, dude, whatever, you get it. Holy crap, man. Y'all digging the quad screen? Let me know. Hit that like button, that bell, the sub if you are. Also, something else that would really help out the channel is if you left a comment. When the video goes static, feel free to leave any kind of comment you would prefer. Good for engagement, good for SEO, good for the Google and YouTube algorithms. So if you want to just help see us grow more, that's all you got to do, man. All right. Anyway. You know, regular exercise can change. I would assume so, especially probably Taylor, man, when you're in early development, man. Dude, I think it's something called motor neurons. Motor neurons are what help us. Like, so if you work out and exercise your whole life, especially through development and puberty and all that, when you're older, it's much easier to get back, you know, into shape. So like, it's been very easy getting back into shape for me because I've been doing it like my whole life. So. But someone that had not been doing it their whole life, they're going to be struggling tremendously to get in some sort of shape, right? Motor neurons. What's up, Rich Galante, man? Exciting times right now. Could take out the C, and it's called exiting times too, Kappa. All right, yeah, just watching a move happen a little bit, right? Cool. We've been waiting for it, man. Thanks, logos free, man. Appreciate it, dude. That's just you showing that you want to see this channel grow, man. All right. As we watch the world burn. Okay. Such a big deal. Holy crap. Okay, Bitcoin's down like 2%, 2.3%. Ethereum's down almost 5%. XRP being down 3.24%. Yeah, man, not looking good. Tether's up though, 0.31%, man. Oh my god. Who's the top gainer today? Obviously, it's Ravencoin. Who's the top loser today? Theta. Yeah, dude, that's a fart. Theta's a fart today. Dude, look at Bitcoin, man. Look at freaking Bitcoin. Okay, we're trying to hold, man. We're trying to hold this crazy, crazy potential support. You'd think it would be. If you could hold and close above it and stay above it, you might be okay, man. All right. The US dollar tether times, Billy, man, that's it, dude. Been live for an hour and 27 minutes, man. You have 3? What are you talking about? Zipper, what you talking about, man? Yeah, thanks for the 204 people tuned in right now. We're just looking at the quad screen. Just because it kind of makes sense, right? When there's any kind of market activity, you kind of want to see what the larger market cap coins are doing all in unison. They're all kind of selling off. You know, it's funny though. I mean, Litecoin, bottom left of your screen, is not really breaking anything. It's not really moving too much, is it? Right? You know, we're in this, it broken out, right? Real big structure broke out and ran up ascending broadening wedge. Got some bearish divergence here, dumped like 13-15%, and then we just started up some consolidation, bearish stuff, but there's like an ascending broadening wedge within an ascending broadening wedge. But the golden zone has clearly already been hit, 382. You would expect or hope that we could hit 58, 45, or $67 is 50% and 62% retrace. We just haven't gotten there yet. Only gotten as high as 382. Bitcoin on its major retraces didn't even hit a 382 yet, dude. It's a joke, man. We hit the 236. That's pretty much where we reversed our price action. The shallowest retrace. It's really scrubby, man. Really scrubby. Lack of demand. So Brett1234, man. Hey, dude, that's my password, man. 1234 on everything. Okay. Rick Schmidt says it's minus 30 degrees in Wyoming right now. Okay. That's ridiculous, dude. Thanks, Eric Jackson, man. You don't understand how these big names can invest. What you talking about, dude? Dude, I don't even know, man. The level of memeage with XRP is... it's growing, man. It's growing astronomically, probably exponentially, and really, I don't know of any other cryptocurrency that's growing in meme value more than XRP. Okay. You must be missing something with Litecoin, dude. It's not really going anywhere, dude. Not moving near as bad as the other 3, right? You can clearly see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, get wrecked, Julia. You know, if we hit 36.65, I'm getting a beer, but don't count on it, okay? That's the rule. I don't know, man. It was a really tame weekend. Thursday was nuts, but Friday and Saturday, dude, was very, very tame, which has set me up, man, to bounce back and recover. All right. The chicken is strong, dude. 2 hours, 28 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Okay, so since there's a lot of XRP talk, let's what cryptocurrency do you like and why? Chat. Which one is your absolute... it's not your favorite, okay? It's not like a Beanie Baby. It's like, which one do you think will be around for longer than most of the other ones, right? Which one and why, okay? And don't say Benito coin because it has the power of flight or something stupid. stupid. Okay. Or Pikachu because of lightning attributes or something. Okay. Oh, Metroid TA coin is gonna zoom in. Okay, dude. Unbelievable, dude. $130 on Ethereum, 37.21 on Bitcoin right now. Still somehow above that trend line. XRP 31.041 cents in Litecoin at 47.36. All right, XRP Mafia's saying XRP use case, man. Francisco says Bitcoin's the new gold, man. Okay, look, remember, if you say, oh my God, okay, Louis, yeah, JP Morgan coin. Look, it was like, which one and why, not just which one, okay. Maybe none of them. Yeah, dude. CryptoFish saying long-term XRP seems to have most partnerships. Okay, so Tentacle saying basic attention coin. Hey, I like basic attention coin, man. That, dude. Look at that pop, man. Look at that pullback. We're getting 37.28 on Bitcoin. Top right of your screen. What price does Bitcoin need to hold on the 4-hour candle, Chase, man? It needs to hold above 37.10, 20. 37.20 roughly. That is that trend line. I mean, look, oh, sorry. Right here, down in the bottom screen, is Bitcoin zoomed out some. Look, man, this was the structure, right? The structure we've been in since mid-November. 1, 2, 3, resistance. We broke out of it, back tested it, and we're still trying to hold above it. Okay, that's that 37.20 area. You do not want to fall below. Stay above that and things will work out eventually. But, dude, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. Bear pull, bear flag looking stuff, right? As discussed. Okay. Holy crap, man. Bazap says Wax Coin, because trading tokenized gaming assets is a huge market and trustless, safe trading is needed by millions of gamers. Alright, dude. Keep your eye on Wax Coin if that's the case, man. Face Coin. Win Baker, is that real, dude? Face Coin? Is that like Facebook Coin? Yeah, dude. Litecoin didn't get touched, really, man. Not really. It wasn't affected much by that move. Okay, T-Pay has strong charismatic leader. They have good hearts, partnerships with a bank and Litecoin. All right. Yeah, Jeff says Titty Coin. Swing Trader says Trump Coin. Greg White says Bitcoin limited supply, and it is the crypto market, and it has more transactions than more confirmed transactions than any crypto that exists. And don't give me that, oh, of course, because it's been around longer than anyone. Well, yeah, dude. Sorry. We can stay above 37.10, 37.20 area. Well, remember, Swing Trader, the measure move, Bitcoin. We talked about it. Brings you right back down to the bottom where we double bottom of the Gartley. Look at it right there. From the breakout. Dang, dude, that measure moves. Yep, 3,400. That's where we could expect if the measure move was to happen, dude, right? It's saying a lot, though. It's a big deal, man. I don't know how we get down there, dude. We're already riding over sold territory, right around there, okay? So it's going to be tough getting down there very fast, right? Remember, these are not like the greatest areas reward to risk for a short. BitConnect. All right, BitConnect is the future. All right, man. What does that mean, Crypto Fish, man? People are saying Litecoin, Litecoin, Litecoin. Alright, dude. It's not Sunday, Sunday. The car commercial. American Dental Association coin, ADA. Alright? But why, though? Don't just spurt out coins, man. Just because you can, dude. Give us reasons, dude. There you go, Eric Jackson, man. Yeah, we're bouncing really. It's crazy, man. Crazy LA Wave guy. Look at this dude, just holding like literally 37.21, man. You can't tell me that's not something. It's not being interpreted as some sort of trendline battleground area. Corey, Trevor, Corey, Trailer Park Boys. Anyone get that? Dude, that's such a legit freaking Black Plasma meme, dude. It's wonderful. Holy crap. Oh, okay, Tron because Trevon James is their spokesperson now. Oh, that's perfect, man. Perfect. Opportunity to Kappa. Litecoin pulled everyone out of the last bear market, David. Wait, man. Did it? Or is that how it is perceived in your mind? Is there a real reason to believe the 3,400? Yeah, it's called the measured principle, intent stock videos. That's why. It's just target, man. You get an impulse down, you upslope, bear pull, bear flag combination. The measured move of the pull from the breakout is normally your target. Standard bread and butter target, man. Okay? So there is a real reason, yes. And you can look it up in many, many textbooks. It's not me. Remember, I'm not like making this stuff up. This is stuff that I've studied for 7 years. Okay? But yeah, I agree. I mean, how are we going to get down there? We're almost already, we're pretty much oversold already, man. So yeah, I think it's going to be very tough to get there as it stands now. Yeah. Volume's not that high either. So yeah, I'm hoping, okay, that we hold here. We can't close below this area. We keep bouncing along and then bounce and recover. That's what I'm hoping for, man. Like, I'm cynical here. I'm just saying, dude, like, man, we got an old resistance. Hopefully we can keep it as support. We don't fall back into the structure. That would be devastating. Okay. Holy crap, man. What's going on, dude? What's up, Tim C, dude? Oversold on daily, overbought on the weekly. Holy crap. How could it be overbought on the weekly, dude? Didn't we just get our, like, first green candle on the weekly in, like, 6 months or something stupid, man? But I guess, you know, the impulse up you're talking about, is that what did it? TV show called The Blacklist mentioned XRP Ripple and a scene last week. Oh, I guess so, man. Better go all in on that news, or not even news, just stuff, dude. Kappa. Hopecoin. Thought it was called Hopium, dude. All right. GTMKIV. We got a report of some guys drinking, smoking weed, and playing space in the middle of the street. Is that you guys? Dude, that's like hilarious, dude. GT, you ever heard of NASA? Dude, come on. Space people, perhaps you've heard of them. Oh my God, man. I just want to lean back a little bit. Hold on. Just getting in relaxation mode a little bit, dudes. Okay, it's a little better, man. Yeah, everyone wants your Dogecoin, man. All right, everyone wants it. Man, I'm having trouble here, man. All right. Oh my god. Did you just debate me, dude? Are you just trying to debate me, dude? Oh my god, man. Y'all look at this. Let me get out of this and go to just standard real quick. Maybe we'll just go like this. Alright. Dude, look at this. Buddha time, bud time. Alright, we're at $49.29, but just moments ago we were at $15.62 on Zcash to the US dollar, man. Oh my god. Flash crash. But we broke out. Just terrible. Now really, man, I think just another way, man. That way we can look at Zcash, dude. Hold on. See the huge impulse, and there's touch points, wicks, all that. Dude, what are you gonna do, man? It's like nothing makes sense here, right? Flash crash, dude. You're screwed, man. Okay, what's the heck, man? So just 1 and 2 and 3 on the top and 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then derp, and you're back. You made it back, man. They were ready to go, weren't they? Bud time, dude. Thanks for saying it a few times, man, so I could see it. That's hilarious, dude. All right. How many coins does a hope coin hope for? Yeah, that's it, dude. Something like that, man. Is it Julia Victim the song? No, Rolo Green by Napier. Napier. Rolo Green. That's the song. I don't know what it means. A lot of this music comes from Nordic people. The Nordics, man. Flash crash, fat finger, right? Order books, there's entries down here. Dude, exchanges can push a price down. Maybe there's stop losses down here. They push down the price. They can do that to trigger orders and push the price right back up. Transaction, all those fees, right? Dude, possible, man. But yeah, also just someone fat fingered. Whatever, man. Is ICX Kang, Jack Black? Is this true, man? Thanks, Crypto Tiger, man. Hey, Morgan Freegan, dude. Where you been, man? Alright. Well, then on back to the quad screen real quick, okay? Take a look at the markets. Yeah, still scrubby here, man. Zcash. Oh, crap. Here's your beloved XRP falling out of the triangle. Only sitting 31.139 cents. Bitcoin's still holding above that trend line. Come on, dude. Critical support. You better hold or you're screwed. Holy crap. Whew. How could you say ICX is kings when we got obliterated? Some sort of slanted head and shoulders. Jeez, man. ICS is not Kangs at all, dude. Easy enough, though. ICX, dude. Here it is, dude. crazy, crazy. Downsloping resistance busted, broken, ran up. I'm sure we had divergence, man. Like, dude, if there's not divergence here, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. High to higher high. Damn it is, man, divergence. We already even looked at it, man. There it is, dude. Slanted head and shoulders. Measure move puts you at, it's reasonable. It's not a big deal. 665 sats, right? That's right around here. This February 7th wick on ICX. As it did. Okay. Oh, fireworks? Oh, my bad, dude. But fireworks. Never did. Did it. No, I didn't see it today. I've been following it this weekend, though, Joe Ray, man. Pretty crazy, man. SpaceX. Big King's doing things. Oh, but no. Not yet on ONT, man. We can look at it there real quick. Yeah, there you go, man. False breakout. That's what happens, man. But hey, dude, Momo shift here. It's very, very real. Okay. You broke the downsloping resistance. You stayed poised. Kept your focus. You made the higher low, kind of double bottomed. Higher lows than your previous low. And we finally broke over resistance and ran. Where we go from a high point to a low point. We hit a 50% retrace perfectly. Like Raven hits. The 618 perfectly. Since sold off. Never saw those prices again. So you must commonly retrace 50% of the way before selling off. But you can also be in the golden zone between the 382 and the 618. There you go, man. See, this is the golden zone, okay? Anywhere in here, we can reverse our price action to the downside, and we got it right there. That green line, green horizontal line. So you're saying if you broke out, right, the Momo shift, there could be opportunity to run again, but you know what happened, right? Bitcoin dumped. And this is just a standard bump and run potential setup, man. That's all that happens, dude. All right, these potential setups, man. Anytime you have something going on, I mean, you can call it a bear pole, bear flag, whatever. Okay. When you break clear downsloping resistance. Okay, normally what is going to happen? The bump and run, call it that. You normally want to hit the top. Right there. That's normally your first target. Oh, and how do you get your second target? From the height of the structure to the lowest point. Second target, 1272. If we can break this right here, you're going to head on up, most likely, most time, to 824, or the 1272 fib extension. All right. So just a simple bread and butter little trade setup thing. All right. That's it. Didn't work out. Crapped out. Hit a 50% retrace and Bitcoin dumped. Bad. 80% of USA paper fiat carries traces of cocaine. Jeez. Ridiculous. Fogmoto, what do you think, man? Did Raven dump yet, dude? Oh, I'm about to control Z like crazy. Not working. Dude, it's not working. It worked. Whew. Holy crap. I don't know if Raven dumped yet. Let's go back to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That double top. Closing reverse stuff up here, man. 618. Yeah, we got as low as 600 sats. Okay, so look, man, that's the golden zone. The golden zone. the top of the golden zone. Your major swing high up here to your major low, 62% retrace. Crazy. So still holding on, big one, 37.21, right there, man. Right freaking there. Okay, y'all. Well, I think we've had a good stream. Covered a lot. Had some laughs, had some cries. We learned, you know, about things. We learned that Namaste is, I guess how you say Namaste. And all that stuff, alright, so. Look, I'll be back tomorrow. Let me do a rundown. They have Pros Man, Billy Man, Star Wars Worlds Man, Drawn K, Kills for a Living. Thank you all for the contributions tonight. Thanks so much for some of you new subs, okay, to the channel. And thanks so much, JR Man, for joining the Patreon. Really appreciate it. It means everything. And because of people like you, I'm able to come back multiple times a day to give you market updates on your favorite S-Coins and Beanie Babies. Happy to do it for you. And just maybe we learn a little bit every stream. Invest in ourselves. Even on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. So that's right. That's right, Morgan Freegan. Till next time. Respect the T.A. Hey, John Gunn, man, thanks for the sub, dude. Ganked it.
I like turtles.
Zach/USD Bitfinex.
Yeah, we blank, man, we looked at it, but I can look at it again for you. Thanks for the threes, man. Appreciate it, dude. But yeah, dude, it's a flash crash. Epic proportion, alright? I mean, they were ready, man. They were ready to get it. We 49.50 now. We went as low again as 15.47. Jeez. Good freaking night, man. Good night. On that. Blank, man. There you go, dude. Thanks again for the contribution. If you summon me back, I'm gonna come back, dude. Alright? Yeah, dude. Super chat. Terrible, dude. Super chat, like, there's no point, dude. I don't know, man. Am I gone? Am I out of here? What am I doing? Thanks, Blank, again. Alright. This is how you summon me, man. You control summon me all you want, alright? Until next time, respect the TA.
I like turtles.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd.